Hello friends, today we will discuss the Peacock-Wiseman theory of public expenditure, which explains the growth of government spending over time. It was developed by Alan T. Peacock and Jack Wiseman in their 1961 study. It is based on observations of public expenditure trends in the United Kingdom. The theory is often called displacement effect theory. The features of the theory. First is displacement effect. During periods of significant national crisis such as wars, economic depressions, or natural disasters, government spending increases to meet urgent needs. Once the crisis is over, public spending does not return to its pre-crisis level, but stabilizes at a higher level. This displacement creates a new baseline for government expenditure. Second is inspection effect. Crises often expose inefficiencies or gaps in public administration. This leads to public demand for reforms and higher long-term expenditure on government programs. Third is tolerance level. This theory posits that citizens' tolerance for taxation and public spending increases during a crisis. Post-crisis, this higher level of tolerance often becomes a permanent supporting increased government expenditure. Economic growth and public expenditure. As an economy grows, so does government revenue, allowing for an increase in public spending. So we can understand with an example. World War II and post-war Britain. Since this theory is of United Kingdom or based on United Kingdom, so this example is of World War II and post-war Britain. Crisis period. During World War II, the UK government significantly increased public expenditure to finance the war effort, including military spending, rationing system, and social support measures. Post-crisis level. After the war ended, the government spending did not return to pre-war levels. Instead, it stabilized at a higher level, partly because the government began investing in long-term welfare programs like national health services and social housing. Public tolerance. Citizens accepted higher taxes during the war, and this tolerance for greater taxation persisted, supporting the expanded role of the government in a post-war era. This demonstrates how a major crisis leads to a permanent upward shift in government spending consistent with the Peacock-Wiseman theory.